Hey guys, Saturday night. We're waiting for the squad. This is the intro to tonight.
Yo. What are we doing tonight, Andrew?
Driving to Mexico.
Oh yeah, driving all throughout Mexico.
Yeah. Yep.
We're gonna find some trouble is what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
We're waiting for Omar, and we're waiting for Mike, and then we're gonna roll out.
Just like hanging out at gas stations all night.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Follow me.
Oh, that people are just getting.
You hear me, mister? He's gonna murder you. It doesn't matter where you're sitting. Doesn't matter if you're at a dead stop. Doesn't matter if you're going 30. Doesn't matter if you're going 110.
You're actually racing one of those guys?
I like to get that.
Letting that turbo cool down or something.
Yeah, I shut it off instinctually, but I was like, you know what? We did just do like
These cars should be built well enough.
there's a coolant pump that pumps it, but
Yeah.
it doesn't pump the oil. So.
Dude,
you,
fucking
have a catch can?
No.
That's why I need to add a catch can to mine.
that last pull we did, fucking. When I hit third, bottomed out hard. Torque.
Well, let's go look at the car.
What was his name again? Do you remember?
Chad or something like that? Or so I guess I'm gonna see. Jason? I don't know.
Exo goes nuts, huh? Low key.
This is more okay, bro.
Yeah.
Not the old guys. Not the old guys.
I gotta get my shit returned.
You get smoked all right here?
Let's go that quick spool.
Well, he's got that fucking quick
I
ass.
told you that TT is bananas.
It's bananas.
I think if I can spool quick, let me catch it up. What's that? Yeah, I was gonna ask what kind of suspension that is. Really, I don't know.
Well, that was the eventful night of racing. Michael got on it. He got himself. He bagged some races. He won some. But we're gonna head home for the night. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you guys next time.